What's up everyone, John here and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, 2 years to be exact, but I'm back and I'm excited to bring you guys new content. Now you must be wondering why it took me so long to get back into YouTube, and honestly I don't have a good answer for you. 2 years ago I moved here to California, started a new career, and I just had a lot on my plate. At first I didn't have the time to make videos, but when I finally did have that time, I honestly just didn't have the motivation to step in front of a camera and talk about tech. I always told myself that eventually I'd get back into YouTube, but I just never did. I would say I would start filming next week, and then next thing you know, a month passes by, and then it's a few months, and then all of a sudden 2 years flew by. Honestly, don't know what happened, and I really wish that I got back into it sooner. But better late than never. So today I'm gonna go over some updates on the channel, when you can expect to see new videos, as well as what I'm gonna be doing to make sure that I can stay consistent with the content and continue to produce videos without getting burnt out. So as you probably noticed, the setup looks a little different from the last time I posted a video. My fiance and I decided to turn the spare bedroom into a creative space. She loves crafting and using her Cricut, so we decided to make her a setup that was perfect for that. As for my side of the creative space, I knew I wanted a full setup just like I used to have when I started making videos. There are no distractions here. I can just focus on creating content, editing videos, and just sitting here and being at the desk. It really helps me to stay focused and motivates me to want to continue to create videos, because at the end of the day, I enjoyed making YouTube videos. Even though I'm not the best at it, I really enjoy the process. I love filming the videos, editing clips, putting it all together, adding music, working on transitions. All of it is just a joy for me, and I really missed it these past 2 years. Like I said, I really wanted to get back into YouTube, and I did lose the motivation, but now it's back, and I hope to use that motivation to continue to grow this channel and bring you guys new content that you look forward to. And as for new videos, my goal right now is to post at least once a week, ideally on Friday mornings, so make sure you're on the lookout for that. Of course, I want to try to post twice a week. I might be able to do so on some weeks, but right now, really the main goal is to at least post one video a week. And that's really all I have in terms of updates. Honestly, it is kind of hard to get back in front of the camera. I definitely feel stiff. I mean, to be fair, I was always kind of stiff in front of the camera. And I hope that as I continue to film these videos, I just get better at it and start to relax more. But forgive me if this first video back is a little rigid. I really am trying my best to get comfortable again in front of the camera, so bear with me. And to my new and especially my old subscribers, I'm sorry for the long hiatus. I know it's been a long time, but I am excited to be back creating new videos for you guys and hopefully providing new content as well. So of course I'm still gonna have tech reviews. What kind of tech channel doesn't have tech reviews? I do enjoy consuming tech, letting you guys know what I think about it, whether I think you should get it or should not, like these fake AirPods. That's gonna be in next week's video. So make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications, because that's gonna be posted next week Friday morning. But other than that, yeah, I plan to branch out. I wanna do things like tech news and I don't know, things I haven't even come up with. But I do want to branch out to other different types of videos. So I hope you enjoy and look forward to the new direction that this channel is going. Again, I plan to change a lot of things and continue to grow this channel and really just grow in the tech community. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely subscribe and continue to look forward to new videos. So those are all of the updates I have for the channel. Again, I'm truly excited to be back and creating videos. I hope that you're looking forward to the direction that the channel is going, and you'll be on a journey as I continue to grow the channel. Now I have to end the video, and of course there's no other way to end it. So if you're looking forward to new content, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. If you're not already, you can subscribe right over here. And if you have any questions for me, feel free to leave them down below in the comments. Now that's all I have for you, so I'll see you guys in the next video, and have a good one.